Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to oil your fishing reel. First, gather your essential tools: a small screwdriver, some cotton swabs, and a clean, soft cloth. Find a well-lit, clean workspace. Always check your reel's owner's manual for any specific oiling instructions or diagrams unique to your model. Begin by carefully removing the spool and the handle, which will give you better access to the reel's internal parts. Now, let's get it clean. Use a soft brush or cotton swabs to meticulously remove any old grease, dirt, or debris from all accessible parts. Focus on critical areas like the main gear, pinion gear, and any visible bearings. For stubborn grime, a small amount of specialized reel cleaner can be very effective. It's crucial that all components are completely dry before you move on to applying new oil. With your reel clean, it's time to oil. Apply just 1 or 2 small drops of high-quality fishing reel oil to each bearing. Lightly oil the worm shaft, line roller, and any other moving parts that require lubrication. Remember, less is often more. Overoiling can attract dirt and debris, hindering performance. Always consult your reel's diagram to ensure you hit all the precise oiling points for optimal function. Finally, let's put it all back together. Carefully reassemble all the components, working in the reverse order of disassembly. Make sure all screws are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening, which can strip threads. Once reassembled, test the reel's retrieve and drag system to ensure everything operates smoothly and quietly. Wipe away any excess oil from the exterior surfaces with a clean cloth, and your reel is ready for action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.